My name is Anne Rosveil. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Pesinet. Pesinet is a non-profit organization working in Mali to sustainably reduce child mortality related to complication of benign diseases. Indeed, in Mali, it's one child out of 5 that dies before the age of 5, and usually in 70% of cases of very basic diseases that could easily be treated at affordable cost locally with the medical resources available. So our solution for that is to offer a system that includes an ML's application, the proximity work of health agents in the communities, and a microinsurance system to help prevent, detect early, and facilitate access to early treatment for those people. So basically, it works as a mutual insurance system. Family pay a monthly fee of $1 to get access to weekly home-based health checkup for their children. An agent comes to the family and weigh the child, ask for key symptoms, ask the mother if he has any key symptoms. She collects the data on a basic mobile phone application and transmits it directly to the local doctor. The local doctor is able, the very same day, to see whether there are any risky cases and to call in the child for examination. If there is any problem, the child gets access to free medical examination and half-price medication. So the whole system is integrated into the public healthcare system at the very local level, at the primary care level, and it allows really to combine available resources and leverage mobile technologies to ensure that there is an increase in results to healthcare and a reduction in the delay for recourse to healthcare for those children, thus avoiding complication of their disease. Thank you.